All right, so here we are looking at operations and Cayley tables and determining whether each operation is closed or not. So we've got our set, and our first operation is the star. So I'm going to label my operation in the left-hand corner, and then write my values. So A is going to appear down the left side. Our rows make our A values. B is going to appear up top. So let's start this out. So A star B is defined this way. So if I've got 0, 0, 0 to the power 1 is 0, minus 0 to the power 1 is 0. So of course 0 minus 0 is 0. And then if A is 0 and B is 1, so I've got 0 squared, of course, is 0. And then 1 to the 1 is 1. So 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Well, negative 1, I can see straight away, this is not an element of our set, so negative 1 is not an element of S. Therefore, star is not closed. All right, let's look at blob. 0, 1, 2, 3. Again, those are my A values. Whoa, that's a terrible line that apparently I cannot erase. All right. 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make this blob a little bit smaller. Maybe. Okay. So plugging in again, plugging into this operation here. If I plug in all zeros, that's going to be 0. If I plug in a 0 for A and a 1 for B, I'll have negative 2 plus 2, again, is 0. This is going to be true for all of our B's. We're going to have negative 2B plus 2B. So if A is 0, I'm always going to end up with 0. Let's come down this column where B is 0 and A is these different values. So if B is 0, then I'm going to have A plus A using my absolute value. So 1 plus 1 is 2, half of that is 1. I'm always going to end up with half. I'm going to leave you to fill in the rest of these, and in the end, you should find that blob is a closed operation. So in the end, operation, the values here should only be values that are elements of the set.